Apple will start rolling out iOS 16 to iPhone 8 and above onward today. The headlining feature of iOS 16 is support for fully customizing your lock screen. You can now add widgets to your lock screen, choose custom fonts and colors, and apply different filters. iOS 16 can instantly remove the background from any image, allowing you to effortlessly lift the subject from the background of an image. Live text now works with video, allowing you to pause on a video frame and select text in the video to copy and paste, translate text, or convert currency. Updates to messages make it possible to edit, undo, send, and mark conversations as unread, making it even easier to stay connected. Redesigned notifications from the bottom to offer a clear view of the lock screen, and users can choose to view notifications.